special sample superstore subset using orders and returns sheets analyze the yearly sales returns data for region-wise customer segments to identify the customer segment which has decreasing trend of percentage of returns for that customer segment in that particular region. So by reading the question, we can identify that in the question he is expecting to find the customer segment which has the decreasing trend of percentage of returns. So in order to find the solution, let's see how we can solve this. I have already loaded this Excel file since the question requires to find the sales return percentage. So in order to get the sales return, let's connect orders and returns, and they should be connected based on the order ID. So in this way it will only pick the sales returns data. Let's go to the sheet. Let's find the region. Where is my region? If I click R, let's put the region on the rows shelf, then customer segment. Let's put the customer segment on the row, and order date on the year, and let's put the sales. Sales is giving a sales return. If I now find the percentage, or I can put it here as well in order to get the bars. If we put the quick table calculation, percentage of total, and now this is the percentage of total, and it is being computed across the table. But we have a question. In the question they have asked to find the percentage of sales return in a customer segment in the region. So in that case we have to make this pane down, and let's make this read only. So if we make this one, it will be within that particular segment and within that region. And now if we see this small business has a decreasing trend, 93, 88, 63 and 27, whereas all others they have different. For example, this is also decreasing, but it is not available for all the years. So there is only one sales which has the decreasing sales return of small business in the eastern region, has a decreasing trend in all the years. So this is the most probable answer. This could be an answer for this, but since the sale exists for all the years only for small business in the eastern region, so this should be the most probable answer. Thank you very much.